Hey everyone, Michelle Alexandria here, coming at you with a look at the Sony 950g. This is not a professional review. I am not a professional TV person. I am just like you. I am a flake. So don't yell at me if I say, hey, this is a great TV, but I may return it. And I'm not. I'm trying to find the perfect TV. And I'm going to tell you, this is the best LCD TV that I've ever owned. Bar none. Period. Full stop. This is the best TV, LCD TV I've ever owned. And I know last week I did a video complaining about it, but I had a right to complain. I have all Sony stuff, and for some reason my Sony soundbar and PlayStation 4 weren't playing nicely together last week. But I found out why after a couple of days, and it's why I took the video down. I found out that my HDMI cable went bad. So so once I swapped out the HDMI cable, I haven't had any issues all week. I've been living with this TV for 2.5 weeks, and I love it. And as channel friend Faith Black said, check out his channel. The Sony 950g is a sleeping giant. It is the best it's the best LCD TV I've ever owned. It's the best TV of 2019. I'm going to tell you exactly why it's the best TV of 2019, and it's all the hidden features that no one talks about. First, let me tell you, there's very minimal bloom on this TV. I haven't really seen any bloom on this TV. The only time I experienced bloom on this TV was when I watched The Mandalorian the other night. It was unwatchable. The blooming was so awful, so horrible. I was like, what the heck is this? This is awful. Absolutely awful. But the weird thing is I haven't seen bloom on anything else. And I actually tested this TV with the true stress tester, and that is Game of Thrones Season 8, Episode 3, The Long Night. If you want to test your LCD TV's prowess for bloom and black level and everything else, watch that episode. And I would tell you, this TV performed perfectly. I did not see any bloom or anything, like when the Red Witch lights up the Thraki's fire. You expect to see a lot of bloom there, or when the dragons are shooting fire, breathing fire, you expect to see a lot of bloom. I didn't see any. And again, I'm an OLED owner. I'm an OLED lover, so that's what I'm really sensitive to is the bloom on a TV. So this TV, I didn't experience any bloom, so I don't know what everyone's complaining about, but maybe Sony released an update later on in the year that fixed a lot of the bloom issues, and I have no doubt that they'll release another firmware update that will refine the picture even more. So right now, I think the picture quality on this is really nice. For the first time, I've had an LCD in the last month. I go into my room and I watch my OLED at night. I don't feel like I'm really missing out. Like, I don't feel like GD, that TV in my living room really sucks compared to my OLED. I don't feel that when I go into my bedroom at night and watch some stuff on my OLED TV. I think this is a really nice TV. The other reason why this is a sleeping giant is this TV features everything from the Sony's Master Series A9GT OLED. It has every single one of those features, and it's why I would recommend buying this TV before you buy the A8G. The A8G OLED is a severely gimped TV. That TV has an old crappy remote. It doesn't have any of the features that this TV has. The only TV that and the A8G only uses a 2-year-old processing chip. Why would you get that TV at $2,000 when you can get this TV for, again, $14.99 at Best Buy? And I'm sure you can find it even cheaper at other places. Why would you do that? Yes, I absolutely adore OLED, and I would still think about trading this in to get the C9. But if you're a Sony fan and you just want an LCD TV, this is the best TV to get, because every feature that's on the Sony A9G Master Series is here. It has the same exact processing chip that the A9G Master Series has. It has the A1 Ultimate X processor, or whatever the heck the name of that processor is. It has the very latest integrated Sony processing chip in here. And normally I am not one of these processor people, but I gotta tell you, it makes all the difference. A lot of the content I've been watching on this TV has a real three-dimensional pop to it, even like standard 1080p content. And I think that's thanks to the chip. There's no motion issues, no nothing I've noticed on this TV. And again, this TV also features Imats Enhanced. Imats Enhanced is on this TV, one of the only TVs in the world that has Imats Enhanced. Now, that doesn't really matter since there's very little content for it, but it's here. And what I watched is stunning. I don't know what people are saying when they're like just poo-pooing it, but I watched like Spider-Man 2, Venom, Inferno, and some of these Planet Nature documentaries in IMAX Enhanced. Oh my God, it's eye-opening. And the best part about this TV is it supports eARC. So, and you turn on eARC mode, and oh my God, my Sony soundbar sounds amazing. It is not a joke, people. eARC is actually a true, real deal thing that you really should have on your next TV. Now, granted, the only other reason why I would get the C9 is the C9 has WISA support, which I think is something I'm really going to want and something no one talks about. WISA allows you to add full wireless surround sound speakers to your setup with your TV being basically your amplifier. To me, that is amazing. And that's something I would really love to get, and why I may get the C9 and return this, but it wouldn't be for the picture quality, but I will say eARC mode is amazing. Now the Sony A8G supports eARC, and the A9G supports eARC. So both of those TVs support eARC. So, but yeah, this TV supports eARC. The other thing is it supports Netflix calibrated mode, which is only on the A9G and the Master Series TVs. The OLED A8G does not have Netflix calibrated mode. And I know it's a gimmick, but I watched some Netflix programming this week, thought it looked amazing. So again, 950G has Netflix calibrated mode. It also has Master Series, and there are a lot of freebies Sony's giving away, which is also nice. So basically, you buy this TV, you buy a Sony TV, and they're giving away 3 free IMAX Enhanced movies. Granted, you got to play it through the stupid privileged 4K app, but you get 3 IMAX Enhanced movies, which is amazing. And they're offering a free year of Curiosity Stream, 90 days of Pandora Premium, Toon Goggles, and $5 off of Fubo TV. I think that's pretty darn good. I think it's pretty darn good deal. So yeah, so far I think at $14.99, this is an amazing TV, amazing deal. I'm really enjoying it right now. The only thing I don't really like, I think the other reason why I may consider switching to the C9 is I just prefer WebOS to Android TV, but this has been the best experience I've ever had with Android TV, other than on my NVIDIA Shield 2019, which I still got to do a review on. But I still don't like the fact, I may do a more in-depth review of Android TV when I talk about the NVIDIA Shield. But yeah, so far, I'm really absolutely enjoying the 950G. And again, the only reason why I would consider changing to the C9 is because right now I could get the C9 at Best Buy for $2,000. I have a $100 coupon. So I can get it for $2,000, which is only $500 more than this TV. And I'm going to get the WISA support. I don't really care about the gaming features because I'm just not a super gamer anymore. But this TV does a great job with gaming. I played a couple of games earlier this week, and I loved it. So yeah, overall, this TV is definitely a winner and one you should consider getting. I'm going to keep it for another week. I'm pretty much sold on it. I'm 85% sold on keeping this TV. I just really love it. It's a great TV. And I will say the other thing is you don't have to worry about burning with this TV. And I know a lot of people worry about it, and I always poo-poo it because I had burn-in on my 55 LG Fixed It. with no issues. And that's the other thing. LG has earned my loyalty simply because I've had a lot of issues with my B7, and they fixed it every single time within a week. And I've only ever been on hold with them for 10 minutes. So I think their customer support is absolutely amazing. And I like that about them. I like that they're standing by their products, even though they don't officially support burn-in. But even with all of that, I still gotta say this TV, the Sony 950g TV, is the TV to get. It really is. I don't know what people are talking about when they call it a boom box or any of that kind of stuff. It just isn't. That hasn't been my experience. I haven't checked it for dirty screen effect or any of that kind of stuff because my new philosophy on TVs and TV shopping is I'm not going to look for issues. If I don't notice the issues in everyday content, I'm not going to run special videos and stuff to see, oh my God, there's dirty screen effect and banding. If I don't notice it in everyday content, then to me, it's not there. Ignorance is bliss, people. Oh, the other thing I forgot to mention, the other amazing thing about this TV is YouTube Premium is free on this TV. And so ad-free YouTube is on this TV, which I just noticed after watching it for like a week and a half yesterday. And I'm like, wait, there are no ads on when I watch YouTube videos on this TV. There are no ads at all. That may be worth it alone to get this TV because I spend a lot of time watching stupid YouTube videos, and there are no ads at all. And it sucks that, it doesn't apply to all your YouTube content, but just for some reason, when I just fire up a video on YouTube, on this TV, on the YouTube app, there are no ads at all. And that's refreshing because a lot of the podcasts and stuff I watch on YouTube has gotten completely out of control. I mean, there are ads every 2 freaking minutes, and I can't watch them or listen to them anymore. So it's kind of nice that on this TV, I don't have to deal with that. So that's also great. And the other thing is, YouTube is well known for causing burn-in on OLEDs. It really is. So yeah, for all those reasons, I would say 950G, best TV of 2019, I think. And this is without me having seen the OLED C9. And also, again, with that said, I may still swap it out for the OLED C9, but I have an OLED. I may just ride this TV until the end of next year or year after next. But the thing is, when I buy the reason why I don't really care if I spend $2,000 that much is when I buy technology, I don't change it every single year. When I buy technology, I have a tendency to keep it around for 5 or 8 years. And with today's TVs and all the firmware gimps and everything else, I don't expect a TV to last more than 3 or 4 years. So I don't really think in terms of, hey, I'm going to buy a $2,000 TV today and I'm going to just upgrade it next year. No, I don't think in those terms. I think I'm going to buy a $2,000 TV today and I'm going to keep it for at least 3 years. And that's the way you have to think about technology. So, I'm going to buy a $1,000 phone, but I'm going to keep it for 3 or 4 years. I'm not going to continue to upgrade it. I'm still rocking my 6-year-old MacBook. I'm still rocking my 6-year-old iPad. I was rocking my iPhone 6S until it finally died on me last year. I had the B7, which is a 2-year-old TV. So there you go. So anyway, I know this was a rambling video, but yeah. You should not sleep on a Sony 950G. It's a great TV. It really is. So talk to you guys later. Bye.